Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So, I finished the work and wanted to see something fun and interesting, and some friends mentioning different place I can discover. So no matter how you would like to see it, I just want to get an idea what other things we can see. So I passed by here, San Francisco, and it looks so beautiful, don't you think so? Okay, not my face. You will see the scene here, right? Let's do it. So in front of me is one of the public place, I think. We call it private-owned pub, private-owned public place, which the city put some art, put some modern architecture and some comfortable seat. Comfortable or not is another question, but some seats, easy clean and looks sleek and fun. Put it here for people to take a rest, and the city looks beautiful and modern. And so this, I think this is a transit center. I remember the other time I came here, and there was one person walking inside, a very nice lady, two of them. And I asked, how do I go out to the street? And they were very nice and smilingly pointing to me. You remember, sometimes you see someone give you a smile, and it totally changed the energy. And that day it was a little bit cold, but with their smile and with their very nice guidance, and she pointing to which way to go, which elevator to take. And there was another person who is taking a greyhound. I think there is a greyhound, almost missing the bus. And these two ladies run with the other person and tell her where to go. So I was really very touched. The kindness of people. No matter how you like the city or not, how you like that particular place or not, there are people in places that makes our life real and human. Don't you think so? This is kind of cool. Nothing to... Isn't it? It's eye-opening, at least for me, from countryside. Oh. So a lot of place has this facility or something for people to take a rest. so that it's not only for, what do I say? Our life is getting better. Society is starting to accumulate enough resource to allow people have a third space, right? Is this the third space? Now it's time to go. I am going away, and it closes at 8 o'clock. This is Thursday late hour. Oh, they are doing this. And there is a restaurant. Used to be, I forgot what, used to be something relatively small. Now they make it quite a large scale restaurant. And it seems quite fancy, don't you think so? Look at it. Oh, it totally changed. They renovated and changed its arrangement. And people can lie there, sit there, lie there, completely relaxed.